Hello everyone, welcome back to our Azure DevOps course. Today we are going to explore what build pipeline is and how can we create a build pipeline using YAML file. So we will dive right into setting up a build pipeline for our Java Maven project. So let's get started. So first let's briefly cover the basics. Build pipeline automates the process of compiling codes, running tests, and producing deployable artifacts. In Azure DevOps, we use build pipeline to ensure our code is built and tested consistently every time changes are made. Okay, so with build pipeline, uh, especially when defined using YAML, you can define your build process in code, which ensures probability and easy version control. So now let's jump into create a build pipeline using YAML file. So let's start by configuring a YAML based build pipeline for our Java Maven project, which we created in previous session in our repos section. Here you can see. So simply go to the pipeline, then your Azure DevOps project dashboard and click new pipeline. So now choose your Azure repository. So here test repo is our repository. Okay. So this time we will use the YAML configuration option. So here we will select the Maven. So now here is our YAML file. Okay, here you can see our YAML file. So now let's understand the what is the element in this YAML file. Okay, so first of all is trigger. So here you can see trigger. So this ensures the pipeline runs when changes are posted to the main branch or any feature branch. Okay. Then here we can see pull. So it specifies the Ubuntu latest virtual machine to run the build. Then Maven tasks. Here we can see steps. Okay. So this uses Maven to clean, build and test the project using the pom.xml. Okay. This our pom.xml. So now let's click on save and run. Here save and run. Okay. As the pipeline runs, you can see and monitor its progress in real time. So viewing logs for each step, you will see the pipeline fetch the code, run Maven commands and execute tests. Here we can see. Okay. Here our job is starting. So once the pipeline completes, you will see the build status, either successful or failed. If the build passes, you will know your code has been successfully compiled and tested. You can also view detailed for logs for each steps. Okay, so it may take a few time. Here you can see it running lot of codes or commands. Okay guys, our job is done now. So let's back. So here we can see our status is success. Okay, and here we can also see the time duration for this all process is 37 seconds. So that's how you can create a build pipeline using YAML file in Azure DevOps for your Java Maven project. And YAML makes it easy to define and version control your build process, ensuring consistency across all environments. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. In the next session we will take it a step further by looking how it's automate deployment pipelines. Okay, so see you soon.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.